Good day, welcome to Vellai Thamarai YouTube channel. For clear voice, please use headphones or earphones. Quiz January 2023. Question number 1. Which diet is ranked the best diet of the year 2023? Option A. Anti-inflammatory diet. Option B. Calorie restriction. Option C. Dash diet. Or option D. Mediterranean diet. Question number 2. Who is the 79th Grand Master of India? Option A. Abhijit Gupta. Option B. Debyendu Barua. Option C. Pranesh. Or option D. Koneru Hampi. Question number 3. Name the engineering graduate who converted an auto rickshaw into a house. Option A. Arun Prabhu. Option B. Varun Prabhu. Option C. Elvin Prabhu. Or option D. Tarun Prabhu. Question number 4. Who built 650 toilets for her village residents? Option A. Alarkodi Dhanashekar. Option B. Malarkodi Dhanashekar. Option C. Dhanashekar. Or option D. Elangodi Dhanashekar. Question number 5. Yellow color of turmeric is due to a chemical compound called option A. Chlorophyll. Option B. Curcumin. Option C. Carotenoid. Or option D. Anthocyanins. Question number 6. NASA rover discovered dash on Mars. Option A. Aluminium. Option B. Copper. Option C. Gemstones. Or option D. Diamonds. Question number 7. Who was the famous singer at the court of King Akbar? Option A. Shyam Singh Atariwala. Option B. Tansen. Option C. Mahesh Das. Or option D. Tenali Pandit Ramakrishna. Question number 8. Who wrote the book The Jungle Book? Option A. Agatha Christie. Option B. Rudyard Kipling. Option C. Ross W. Greene. Or option D. Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Question number 9. The famous painting Adoration to Ra was painted in the year option A. 1756. Option B. 1854. Option C. 1867. Or option D. 1865. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Please share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Subscribe our channel for more videos like this and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.